I've lived so many lives: finance director, model, actress, TV host, blogger, content creator, digital nomad. And honestly, every version of myself has brought me here. When I launched BusyWifeBusyLife.com, I didn't know what the world of blogging really was. I just knew that I had a voice and a story that mattered. I leaned into what I did know: business, branding, and authenticity. And over time, my storytelling started to resonate. That blog turned into brand partnerships, TV hosting gigs, and a personal brand that grew organically, simply because I just kept showing up and sharing what I felt was real. Since then, I've created content that has reached millions, literally. Some of my videos have gone viral with over 6 and 7 million views. But I'm just as proud of the content as I am the consistency behind the scenes. The newsletters, the captions, the strategy, because that's what builds trust and drives results. I took everything that I learned from growing my own brand and began helping small businesses do the same. Whether it's digital strategy, social media content, or making sure that the message actually lands, I know how to help people show up with confidence. And today, I'm still building an audience as I travel the world, working while being a digital nomad. And I bring all of that digital marketing experience to our clients here at Idea Decanter. I understand how to balance strategy with storytelling. I've worked in finance, and I know how to turn complex ideas into clear and compelling content. I didn't follow the traditional path, and that's exactly what makes me good at this. I've been the brand, I've built the brand, and now I help you do the same.